These programs include the violence and the bloodshedding. The duration of your time. Kamikaze!
Who's there?
Guardian. What was it?
You recognize it, don't you? It's a pharmaceutical dart the medics used to use.
Yeah, and look at the color markings. I'd say it's the exact same model from the war.
Well, whatever it was, it sure made the pain go away.
But why would they help us like that?